வெல்கம் டு சன் தேஜஸ் ஆதி சேனல். இது TNPSC தொடர்பான சேனல் ஆகும். பாருங்கள், வீடியோக்குள் செல்லலாம்.
401. For how many years have the dinosaurs been extinct? 1. About 25 million years. 2. About 65 million years. 402. Which phenomenon do bats or dolphins use to find prey, predators or obstacles? 1. Refraction of sound. 2. Formation of beats. 3. Scattering of sound. 4. Echolocation. 403. Cod is a variety of 1. Goat. 2. Fish. 3. Crop. 4. Coral. 404. A large number of identical plants can be obtained in a short span of time through 1. Large number of seeds of a single plant. 2. Stem cuttings. 3. Tissue culture technique. 4. Hydroponics method. 405. The smallest flowering plant is 1. Wolfia. 2. Lemma. 3. Azala. 4. Ficus. 406. Leukemia or blood cancer is characterized by abnormal increase of the 1. Red blood cells. 2. White blood cells. 3. Blood platelets. 4. Blood plasma. 407. The total number of bones in our body is 1. 226. 2. 206. 3. 256. 4. 236. 408. The poison of honeybee is 1. Acidic. 2. Alkaline. 3. Saltish. 4. Protein. 409. Birds which swim in water have 1. Webbed feet. 2. Broad wings. 3. Long beaks. 4. Toes with claws. 410. The tallest and thickest type of grass is 1. Alfalfa. 2. Fodder. 3. Bamboo. 4. Lichens. 411. The process of preventing the birds from flying is called 1. Brailing. 2. Debeaking. 3. Dubbing. 4. Pecking. 412. Veins seen in the leaves serve the function of 1. Photosynthesis. 2. Transpiration. 3. Storage. 4. Conduction. 413. The edible part of cabbage is 1. Fruit. 2. Condensed flower. 3. Vegetative bud. 4. Inflorescence. 414. Which of the following processes are associated with plants during dark period? 1. Photosynthesis and respiration. 2. Respiration and transpiration. 3. Transpiration and conduction. 4. Conduction and respiration. 415. Goitre is caused by the deficiency of 1. Iodine. 2. Chlorine. 3. Sodium. 4. Calcium. 416. The total number of biosphere reserves present in India are 1. 11. 2. 10. 3. 15. 4. 12. 417. The green color of the leaves is due to the presence of 1. Proteins. 2. Lipids. 3. Chlorophyll. 4. Carbohydrates. 418. The edible part of an onion is 1. Modified root. 2. Aerial flower. 3. Aerial stem. 4. Fleshy leaves. 419. To which group of blood an universal recipient belongs? 1. A group. 2. B group. 3. Zero group. 4. Ab group. 420. The normal body temperature of human beings is 1. 96.4 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. 97.4 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. 99.4 degrees Fahrenheit. 421 Columbolivia is the scientific name of 1. Pigeon, 2. Snake, 3. Rabbit, 4. Shark. 422 bones are pneumatic in 1. Fishes, 2. Amphibians, 3. Reptiles, 4. Birds. 423 An insect, catching plant is 1. Australian acacia, 2. Smilax, 3. Nepenthes, 4. Nerium. 424 The method not used as a biological control is 1. Use of predators of a pest, 2. Pheromone traps, 3. Use of pesticides, 4. Use of neem extracts. 425 Wisdom teeth is the 1. First molar teeth, 2. Second molar teeth, 3. Third molar teeth, 4. Fourth molar teeth. 426 The tusk of elephant is an enormously enlarged 1. Upper incisor, 2. Upper canine, 3. Lower canine, 4. Lower incisor. 427 Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of 1. Vitamin D, 2. Vitamin K, 3. Vitamin E, 4. Vitamin C. 428 Male, Anopheles, mosquito feeds on 1. Blood of man, 2. Nectar of flower, 3. Blood of culex, 4. Blood of leech. 429 Growth of the baby in the uterus is found using 1. X-rays, 2. Gamma rays, 3. Ultrasound, 4. Ultraviolet rays. 430 Besides ear ossicles, the cavity of the middle ear in humans contains 1. Air, 2. Endolymph, 3. Perilymph, 4. Otoconia. 431 The percentage of water content in the human blood plasma normally varies from 1. 60 to 64, 2. 70 to 75, 3. 80 to 82, 4. 91 to 92. 432 Sodium pump operates in 1. Muscle contraction, 2. Heartbeat, 3. Nerve impulse, 4. None of the above. 433 The element which is rich in most leafy vegetables is 1. Phosphorus, 2. Zinc, 3. Iron, 4. Calcium. 434 Polio is caused by 1. Bacterium, 2. Fungus, 3. Virus, 4. Insect. 435 The functions of pacemaker is 1. Regulation of urine formation, 2. Regulation of digestion, 3. Initiation of heartbeat, 4. Initiation of respiration. 436 The best method of disposal of garbage is 1. Vermiculture, 2. Incineration, 3. Landfilling, 4. Burning. 437 In scorpion poison is present in the 1. Leg, 2. Hand, 3. Mouth, 4. Sting. 438 The total number of bones in man are 1. 212, 2. 206, 3. 202, 4. 200. 439 The number of heartbeats on an average in an adult human is in the range of 1. 60 to 65, 2. 66 to 70, 3. 71 to 80, 4. 85 to 90. 440 The end product of the digestion of starch in the alimentary canal is 1. Glucose, 2. Galactose, 3. Maltose, 4. Isomaltose. 441 Number of eyes in an earthworm is 1. 1, 2, 2. 3. Many. 4. No eyes. 442 Acupuncture is 1. A disease of heart. 2. Servicing of tubes and tires. 3. A treatment method with needles. 4. A crop culture. 443 Some viruses have RNA but no DNA. This would indicate that 1. These viruses cannot replicate. 2. These viruses have no heritable information. 3. RNA transmits the hereditary information in these viruses. 4. Their nucleic acids can be crystallized. 444 The presence of air cavities is an adaptation of 1. Desert plants. 2. Trees. 3. Water plants. 4. Mesophytes. 445 Amoebiasis is causing 1. Dysentery. 2. Fever. 3. Severe cold. 4. Headache and cold. 446 The nitrogen in the ecosystem is circulated by 1. Earthworms. 2. Bacteria. 3. Fungi. 4. Protozoa. 447 Which of the following is not a part of the Darwin's theory of evolution? 1. Natural selection. 2. Struggle for existence. 3. Survival of the fittest. 4. Inheritance of acquired characters. 448 The brain of a computer is 1. CPU. 2. CD. 3. Floppy disk. 4. Megabyte. 449 Liver oil of fish is rich in 1. Vitamin A. 2. Vitamin C. 3. Vitamin D. 4. Vitamin E. 450 Which of the following does not provide any energy? 1. Fats. 2. Proteins. 3. Vitamins. 4. Carbohydrates. 451 Dialysis is used to perform the function of 1. Lungs. 2. Heart. 3. Liver. 4. Kidneys. 452 Pesticides are used to destroy 1. Microorganisms. 2. Poisonous substances in soil. 3. Poisonous plants. 4. Insects. 453 What is the common in AIDS, mumps, and poliomyelitis? 1. Young children get affected most readily. 2. No effective vaccine has yet been developed for them. 3. These are caused by viruses. 4. Their germs can be transmitted through blood transfusions. 454 Which enzyme converts proteins? 1. Pepsin. 2. Trypsin. 3. Erepsin. 4. Enterokinase. 455 The deficiency of iron in men result in 1. Anemia. 2. Night blindness. 3. Scurvy. 4. Rickets. 456 Protein which renders a cell less susceptible to attack by viruses is called 1. Actomycin. 2. Chloromycidin. 3. Hybridoma. 4. Hel. 457 Hemophilia is mostly associated with 1. Laborers. 2. Royal families. 3. Miners. 4. Sportsmen. 458 Approximately how many times each day do our heart valves open and close normally? 1. 10,000 times. 2. 1,00,000 times. 3. 1,50,000 times. 4. 2,00,000 times. 459 Normal blood pressure of man is 1. 80/120 mmHg. 2. 90/140 mmHg. 3. 120/160 mmHg. 4. 85/120 mmHg. 460 sugarcane plants are usually propagated by vegetative means because 1. They do not produce seeds. 2. It is possible to maintain genetic quality. 3. The incidence of disease may be reduced. 461 The pigment involved in photosynthetic activity is 1. Anthocyanin. 2. Fuchsanthin. 3. Carotenoid. 4. Chlorophyll. 462 Free-living nitrogen-fixing microorganisms are 1. Rhizobia. 2. Soil fungi. 3. Vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza. 4. Blue-green algae. 463 Vegetable oils are converted into solid fat, ghee, by 1. Hydrolysis. 2. Addition of agar. 3. Oxidation using air and a catalyst. 4. Hydrogenation. 464 A drug which helps in controlling fever is 1. Ibuprofen. 2. Penicillin. 3. Paracetamol. 4. Corticosteroid. 465 Identify the correct statement with respect to biogas. 1. Mixture of gases from volcanoes. 2. Gas produced from certain crude oil wells. 3. Gas produced by incomplete combustion of biomass. 4. Gas produced by fermentation of biomass. 466 Aspartame is the name of a product used by diabetic patients as a sweetening agent. It belongs to the class of 1. Carbohydrates. 2. Peptides. 3. Polyhydric alcohols. 4. Alkaloids. 467 Which one of the following 4 secretions is different from the remaining 3 in regard to its mode of transport from the source gland to the site of action? 1. Saliva. 2. Sweat. 3. Bile. 4. Epinephrine. 468 What is true about viruses without exception? 1. They contain a core of RNA. 2. They can infect bacteria. 3. They cannot produce antibodies. 4. They can multiply only in host cells. 469 Hemoglobin is a 1. Protein. 2. Carbohydrate. 3. Fat. 4. Vitamin. 470 Natural organic fertilizers are found to be better than chemical fertilizers because 1. Chemical fertilizers are less productive. 2. Organic fertilizers are more productive. 3. Organic fertilizers sustain soil productivity. 4. Chemical fertilizers are toxic. 471 Which of the following groups of organisms digest their food before it actually enters the organism? 1. Bacteria and protozoa. 2. Bacteria and fungi. 3. Fungi and protozoa. 4. Mucor and rhizopus. 472 The average heartbeat rate per minute in a normal person is 1. 82. 2. 92. 3. 72. 4. 98. 473 Metabolism is referred to as 1. Synthesis of biomolecules. 2. Breaking down of biomolecules. 3. Synthesis and breaking down of biomolecules. 4. Recycling of biomolecules. 474 The enzymes are basically 1. Carbohydrates. 2. Lipids. 3. Proteins. 4. Amino acids. 475 Why death of fish is more common during summer than in winter? It is because of 1. Shortage of food. 2. Concentration of toxins. 3. Depletion of oxygen. 4. Spread of diseases. 476 Which of the following groups of organisms reproduce faster? 1. Algae. 2. Fungi. 3. Bacteria. 4. Protozoa. 477 Which one of the following foodstuffs of the same quantity possesses the highest calorific value? 1. Butter. 2. Apple. 3. Cheese. 4. Sugar. 478 EEG is a technique to record the activity of 1. Heart. 2. Lungs. 3. Brain. 4. Muscles. 479 The color of cow's milk is slightly yellow due to the presence of 1. Xanthophylls. 2. Riboflavin. 3. Ribulose. 4. Carotene. Held on. 480 Which one of these is a communicable disease? 1. Diabetes. 2. Diphtheria. 3. Arthritis. 4. Cancer. 481 Jaundice is caused due to the infection of 1. Brain. 2. Liver. 3. Kidney. 4. Spleen. 482 The protein present in the fingernail is 1. Actin. 2. Myosin. 3. Globin. 4. Keratin. 483 Maximum harm to a tree is caused by 1. Loss of half of its leaves. 2. Loss of all leaves. 3. Loss of half of its branches. 4. Loss of its bark. 484 Vitamin E is particularly important for 1. Development of teeth. 2. Carbohydrate metabolism. 3. Normal activity of sex glands. 4. General health of epithelial tissues. 485 Birds usually have a single 1. Kidney. 2. Lung. 3. Testis. 4. Ovary. 486 Alfalfa is the name of a kind of 1. Forest. 2. Crop. 3. Grass. 4. None of these. 487 Which cells in our body have the least regenerative power? 1. Brain cells. 2. Muscle cells. 3. Bone cells. 4. Liver cells. 488 Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? 1. Tetanus BCG. 2. Tuberculosis, ATS. 3. Malaria, chloroquine. 4. Scurvy, thiamine. 489 The carbon dioxide content in the air that we exhale is about 1. 4%, 2. 8%, 3. 12%, 4. 16%. 490 Blood pressure is controlled by 1. Adrenal gland. 2. Thyroid gland. 3. Thymus. 4. The body yellow. 491 The total number of ear bones is 1. 2. 2. 4. 3. 6. 4. 8. 492 Which one of the following is the most sensitive indicator of the health of a community? 1. Birth rate. 2. Infant mortality rate. 3. Death rate. 4. Maternal mortality rate. 493 Bakeries use yeast in bread making because it 1. Makes the bread hard. 2. Makes the bread soft and spongy. 3. Enhances the food values. 4. Keeps the bread fresh. 494 Pacemaker is associated with 1. Kidney. 2. Brain. 3. Heart. 4. Lung. 495 It causes clotting of blood. 1. Thrombin. 2. Hemoglobin. 3. Pectin. 4. All of the above. 496 The largest flightless bird which can run at a great speed is 1. Penguin. 2. Kiwi. 3. Ostrich. 4. Emu. 497 Human beings have two ears. Because two ears help. 1. To judge the direction of sound. 2. To hear even a feeble sound. 3. To enjoy music better. 4. To distinguish between two kinds of sounds arriving at the ears in opposite directions. 498. The vitamin which cannot be had from any vegetables is 1. Vitamin B, 2. Vitamin C, 3. Vitamin D, 4. Vitamin E. 499. Which of the following is not a gland? 1. Thyroid, 2. Stomach, 3. Liver, 4. Pancreas. 500. A person having blood type B could safely donate blood to persons with blood types 1. A and O, 2. B and O, 3. A and AB, 4. B and AB. 501. Plants get water. 501. Plants get water through the roots because of 1. Elasticity, 2. Capillarity, 3. Viscosity, 4. Photosynthesis. 502. The central control of respiratory activity in human body is exercised by 1. Cerebrum, 2. Cerebellum, 3. Medulla oblongata, 4. Hypothalamus. 503. The method used to obtain alcohol from molasses is called 1. Distillation, 2. Hydrolysis, 3. Fermentation, 4. Oxidation. 504. Bacterial diseases are found in 1. Plants, 2. Animals, 3. Humans, 4. All of the above. 505. Scurvy is a disease of 1. Hair, 2. Skin, 3. Liver, 4. Eyes. 506. The population of which of the following is maximum on the earth? 1. Fishes, 2. Beetles, 3. Reptiles, 4. Birds. 507. The floral part that produces pollen grains is 1. Sepal, 2. Petal, 3. Anther, 4. Ovary. 508. Which of these fruits develop from an inflorescence? 1. Apple, 2. Guava, 3. Pineapple, 4. Grape. 509. Ascent of sap in plants takes place through 1. Pith, 2. Phloem, 3. Cambium, 4. Xylem. 510. A plant with fibrous root system is 1. Wheat, 2. Pea, 3. Mustard, 4. Bean. 511. A person of blood group AB can receive blood from a person of 1. Only group AB, 2. Only group A, 3. Only group B, 4. Any blood group. 512. The strongest bone of the body is present in the 1. Thigh, 2. Jaw, 3. Arm, 4. Neck. 513. The red blood cells are produced by the 1. Liver, 2. Hormones, 3. Bone marrow, 4. Heart. 514. Of the total number of genes inherited by a child, 1. More are from the father, 2. More are from the mother, 3. There are an equal number from each parent, 4. There is never a constant number from the parents. 515. Normal blood pressure of man is 1. 80/120 mmHg, 2. 90/140 mmHg, 3. 120/160 mmHg, 4. 85/150 mmHg. 516. Which of the following stores glycogen? 1. Spleen, 2. Pancreas, 3. Gastric glands, 4. Liver. 517. The function of hemoglobin is to 1. Provide amino acids, 2. Carry oxygen, 3. Provide enzymes, 4. Help in excretion. 518. When nitrogenous waste accumulates in the blood, which organ is not functioning? 1. Liver, 2. Lungs. 3. Kidneys. 4. Heart. 519. Which one of the following is a hereditary disease? 1. Hemophilia. 2. Myopia. 3. Anemia. 4. Leukemia. 520. Metal present in blood is 1. Calcium. 2. Zinc. 3. Sodium. 4. Iron. 521. In human body, cartilage is found in 1. Tognuo. 2. Nose. 3. Chin. 4. Nail. 522. In digestion, proteins are converted into 1. Fatty acids. 2. Glucose. 3. Amino acids. 4. Maltose. 523. Butter is 1. Fat dispersed in milk. 2. Water dispersed in fat. 3. Water dispersed in oil. 4. Fat dispersed in water. 524. The part of the flower that can carry out photosynthesis is 1. Androecium. 2. Gynoecium. 3. Calyx. 4. Corolla. 525. Ginger is a modified 1. Root. 2. Leaf. 3. Tendril. 4. Stem. 526. Honey contains mainly 1. Proteins. 2. Carbohydrates. 3. Fat. 4. Vitamin. 527. Which of the following is a biodegradable waste? 1. Wool. 2. Polythene bags. 3. Plastics. 4. Nylon. 528. Which of the following is a cold-blooded animal? 1. Pigeon. 2. Tortoise. 3. Fox. 4. Goat. 529. The membrane covering the lungs is a 1. Pleura. 2. Pericardium. 3. Peritoneum. 4. Mesothelium. 530. Hepatitis is a 1. Heart disease. 2. Lung disease. 3. Liver disease. 4. Kidney disease. 531. Entamoeba histolytica is a parasite found in man's 1. Liver. 2. Intestines. 3. Lungs. 4. Kidneys. 532. The structure in cells which contains light-absorbing pigment is 1. Endoplasmic reticulum. 2. Nucleus. 3. Chloroplast. 4. Chromoplast. 533. Stem cells which are capable of developing into other types of cells come from the 1. Roots. 2. Stem. 3. Embryo. 4. Flower. 534. The form of carbohydrate which is synthesized in plants is 1. Starch. 2. Glucose. 3. Fructose. 4. Cellulose. 535. Which of the following diseases is caused by a virus? 1. Influenza. 2. Pneumonia. 3. Cholera. 4. Whooping cough. 536. Pulses are a good source of 1. Carbohydrates. 2. Vitamins. 3. Proteins. 4. Fats. 537. High level of uric acid in the blood causes 1. Arthritis. 2. Gout. 3. Rheumatism. 4. Asthma. 538. An adult human normally has 1. 6 molar teeth. 2. 8 molar teeth. 3. 10 molar teeth. 4. 12 molar teeth. 539. Chicken pox is caused by 1. Protozoa. 2. Bacteria. 3. Virus. 4. Fungus. 540. The blood vessel carrying blood from the lungs to the heart is 1. hepatic artery. 2. Pulmonary artery. 3. Pulmonary vein. 4. Renal artery. 541 in onion food is stored in 1. Aerial stem, 2. Root. 3. Scale leaves, 4. Bud. 542 The reagent used to test the presence of starch in leaves is 1. Felling solution. 2. Iodine solution. 3. Millions reagent. 4. Benedict's solution. 543 Malaria can be cured with a drug extracted from 1. Belladonna tree. 2. Cinchona tree. 3. Oak tree. 4. Take step. 544 Which of the following provides energy for photosynthesis? 1. Water. 2. Sunlight. 3. Chlorophyll. 4. Carbon dioxide. 545 Food for the developing fetus is supplied by the 1. Uterus. 2. Placenta. 3. Ovary. 4. Allantosis. 546 The importance of perspiration is to 1. Eliminate body odors. 2. Improve the general health. 3. Open the pores in the skin. 4. Regulate body temperature. 547 A disease caused by fungus is 1. Roundworm. 2. Ringworm. 3. Tapeworm. 4. Filaria. 548 How many times does the heart beat approximately in a minute in humans? 1. 25 times. 2. 30 times. 3. 72 times. 4. 96 times. 549 Protein is considered as a 1. Bodybuilder. 2. Energy producer. 3. Regulator. 4. Bulk increaser. 550 In test tube babies, the 1. Ovum is fertilized and developed in test tubes. 2. Ovum is fertilized in the test tubes and developed in uterus. 3. Ovum is fertilized in the uterus and developed in test tubes. 4. Ovum is developed without fertilization in test tubes. 551 Rabies is caused by 1. Bacteria. 2. Virus. 3. Fungus. 4. Algae. 552 Which of the following is the best source of iodine? 1. Algae. 2. Beans. 3. Radish. 4. Wheat. 553 Transport of oxygen by blood takes place with the help of 1. Erythrocytes. 2. Thrombocytes. 3. Lymphocytes. 4. Leukocytes. 554 In a plant, the xylem tissue conducts 1. Water. 2. Food. 3. Water and food. 4. None of these. 555 The gas released during photosynthesis. 1. Carbon dioxide. 2. Oxygen. 3. Carbon monoxide. 4. Sulfur dioxide. 556 Carrot is a rich source of vitamin 1. A. 2. C. 3. D. 4. E. 557 Which one of the following is used as a food preservative? 1. Sodium benzoate. 2. Sodium thiosulfate. 3. Sodium hydroxide. 4. Sodium bicarbonate. 558 Cellulose is the chief constituent of 1. Cell wall. 2. Cell membrane. 3. Secondary wall of xylem. 4. Body wall of insects. 559 Which of the following events occurred first? 1. DNA structure of genes was discovered by James D. Watson and Francis Crick. 2. Yuri Gagarin became the first man in space. 3. World's first human heart transplant was performed by Dr. Christian Barnard. 4. World's first test tube baby Louise Brown was born in UK. 560. The biological death of a patient means the death of tissues of the 1. Kidney, 2. Heart, 3. Brain, 4. Lungs. 561. Blood pressure is high in the 1. Ventricles, 2. Arteries, 3. Veins, 4. Auricles. 562. Estrogen and progesterone control and stimulate the growth in 1. Pituitary gland, 2. Thyroid gland, 3. Mammary gland, 4. Suprarenal gland. 563. Which of these is produced by a mold? 1. Chloroform, 2. Glycerin, 3. Penicillin, 4. Quinine. 564. A disease caused by protozoa is 1. Common cold, 2. Pneumonia, 3. Malaria, 4. Cholera. 565. Which of the following is a vitamin? 1. Keratin, 2. Riboflavin, 3. Insulin, 4. Adrenaline. 566. Persons who are colorblind cannot distinguish between 1. Yellow and white, 2. Green and blue, 3. Red and green, 4. Black and yellow. 567. The acid present in gastric juices: 1. Hydrochloric, 2. Nitric, 3. Sulfuric, 4. Ascorbic. 568. A warm-blooded animal is 1. Shark, 2. Snake, 3. Bat, 4. Ascorbic. 569. Which of the following is the hardest substance in the human body? 1. Bone, 2. Enamel, 3. Dentine, 4. Nail. 570. Which vitamin is produced in human body by exposing it to early morning sun rays? 1. Vitamin A, 2. Vitamin B, 3. Vitamin C, 4. Vitamin D. 571. Bone is used as a fertilizer because it contains the plant nutrient 1. Nitrogen, 2. Phosphorus, 3. Sodium, 4. Calcium. 572. Which of the following has vitamin C? 1. Gooseberry, amla, 2. Apple, 3. Banana, 4. Papaya. 573. Plants release energy during 1. Photosynthesis, 2. Respiration, 3. Transpiration, 4. Germination. 574. From which part of a plant is turmeric obtained? 1. Root, 2. Stem, 3. Fruit, 4. Flower. 575. Genes, the hereditary units, are located in the 1. Nuclear membrane, 2. Chromosomes, 3. Lysosomes, 4. Cell membrane. 576. The oil which causes dropsy is 1. Groundnut oil, 2. Coconut oil, 3. Sunflower oil, 4. Argemany oil. 577. Universal donors are people with the blood group 1. A, 2. B, 3. O, 4. AB. 578. Aquatic animal with the most developed intelligence is 1. Shark, 2. Whale, 3. Flying fish, 4. Seahorse. 579. The blood vessel which carries oxygenated blood to the liver is 1. Coronary artery, 2. Pulmonary artery, 3. Carotid artery, 4. Hepatic artery. 580. Which of the following cells secrete insulin? 1. Alpha cells, 2. Delta cells. 3. Nerve cells, 4. Beta cells. 581 In the human body, fats are stored in the 1. Epidermis. 2. Adipose tissue. 3. Liver. 4. Epithelium. 582 Blood does not clot in the blood vessels due to the presence of 1. Thrombin, 2. Fibrinogen. 3. Heparin, 4. Prothrombin. 583 The DPT vaccine is given to young babies to protect them from 1. Diphtheria, polio, and tetanus. 2. Diphtheria, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. 3. Diphtheria, smallpox, and tetanus. 4. Diphtheria, whooping cough, and tetanus. 584 Hemophilia is 1. An organic disorder. 2. A metabolic disorder. 3. A genetic disorder. 4. A hormonal disorder. 585 The blood vessel supplying blood to the kidney is 1. The renal artery. 2. The hepatic artery. 3. The pulmonary artery. 4. The carotid artery. 586 The organ which stores carbohydrates as glycogen in the human body is 1. Intestine. 2. Stomach. 3. Pancreas. 4. Liver. 587 Hemoglobin is an important constituent of 1. Red blood cells. 2. White blood cells. 3. Platelets. 4. Plasma. 588 Blood pressure is the pressure exerted by blood on the walls of 1. Heart. 2. Veins. 3. Arteries. 4. Capillaries. 589 Which one of the endocrine glands is known as master gland? 1. Pituitary. 2. Adrenal. 3. Thyroid. 4. Parathyroid. 590 Bile is produced by the 1. Liver. 2. Stomach. 3. Pancreas. 4. Duodenum. 591 Which part of the nervous system controls the activities of internal organs? 1. Spinal cord. 2. Cerebrum. 3. Cerebellum. 4. Medulla oblongata. 592 When the left ventricle in the human heart contracts, the blood moves to the 1. Brain. 2. Pulmonary artery. 3. Aorta. 4. Lungs. 593 Which one of the following is a condition of delayed blood clotting? 1. Hemorrhage. 2. Hematuria. 3. Hemophilia. 4. Anemia. 594 How cephally spreads? 1. Common cold. 2. Malaria. 3. Flu. 4. Typhoid. 595 Lockjaw is the last phase of which of the following diseases? 1. Diphtheria. 2. Pneumonia. 3. Syphilis. 4. Tetanus. 596 Reflex actions are controlled by 1. The brain. 2. The spinal cord. 3. The nerves. 4. The cells. 597 The floral part that receives pollen grains during pollination is 1. Ovary. 2. Style. 3. Stigma. 4. Ovules. 598 Which of these is a micronutrient for plants? 1. Carbon. 2. Oxygen. 3. Nitrogen. 4. Boron. 599 The following sugar gives energy most readily? 1. Lactose. 2. Cellulose. 3. Maltose. 4. Glucose. 600 A plant which reproduces by means of spores. 1. Mustard. 2. Coriander. 3. Ferns. 4. Petunia. 12.
Thanks for watch my channel. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.